it's Serena. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is kind of random, but it's actually my birthday today, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to like get dressed up and dolled up and like look all cute and pretty, since I haven't really been able to like dress up that often, and I've kind of missed my birthday for like the past few years because I spent both of them in lockdown last year and this year. So I kind of wanted to just like do something for myself, and I kind of miss getting like all pretty and cute since I really haven't had a reason. So what better reason than my birthday? But I'm just gonna start off with my base. So I just have like my Innisfree Velvet foundation. I probably should prime, but like I don't really know how long I'm gonna be wearing this makeup for, so it kind of got me stuffed. But yeah, I spent my past 2 birthdays in lockdown. I left my actual makeup brush in my room, so I'm just gonna use this new one that I haven't used yet. I bought it a while ago, but I was still happy with my old one, so I haven't really had a reason to use a new one, but I can't be stopped getting it, so I'm just gonna use this Morphe one. And I'm just going to buff this into my skin. My skin is like slowly getting better, which I'm kind of surprised about. It was like pretty bad in the past few videos that I filmed, but slowly kind of getting better, which I'm pretty happy about. Hopefully it will like clear up by the time we're out of lockdown. I think my body's just like getting used to this lifestyle. My neighbors are like in the background working on their garden, so I'm really hoping you can't hear that. But if you can, I apologize. I can't be stopped setting because my skin is hella dry. I kind of can't be stopped putting on concealer either, just because I'm not really like going out. I'm just getting ready, but I'm gonna do my brows. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow tip in chocolate. I'm pretty sure I've been using this one for years. I don't think I've changed up my eyebrow routine in like a really long time. I feel like I just like really brush them. I don't really like do it properly. I really need to pluck my brows. I've been neglecting everything, but that's okay. Hopefully you can't see them that much on camera, but I haven't like looked at myself properly in such a long time. I don't even like look at mirrors during lockdown. I just waste away. Joke, I'm kidding. I think next I'm gonna do my eyeshadow, and I don't really know what kind of eye look I want to do, but I've been like loving the whole like purple blue color palette. You should probably be able to tell because like my jewelry today is really like purple blue magical. It's been like my favorite color palette recently, or like my favorite like iridescent vibes. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, so I might try to do a makeup look that's kind of like that. But I realized that I don't really have that many color palettes that are like light purple or like lilac-y pastel colors. They're all really like deep and rich, and I just don't really like that look. But I'm just gonna try and go in with the Naked 2 palette with this like purpley color here, because it's like the lightest. Or actually maybe I'll go in with a little bit of this, and then I'll go in with a little bit of that, just to see, because I don't really know. This is more like a taupey brown color, and I just want more of like a pastel purple. It's not the shade that I want, but it'll do. Lightly pat that on. I'm gonna put a bit of the purple, the metallic one on top of it. That's such a pretty metallic color. It's definitely a little bit more of the lilac that I want, but it's like a darker lilac on their back. It's definitely like a darker lilac than like a more pastel color. I'm adding a bit of that same purple under my eyes. I feel like this purple is actually so gorgeous, but it kind of gives me that like goth edgy vibe that I like, but I don't tend to go for. It's like got that like grey undertone. I want one with more of like a vibrant undertone. I have this like Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora like highlighting palette, and it has like a really gorgeous metallic shades. So I'm just gonna go in slightly with this like purple and see if I can brighten up this purple a tiny bit. Gosh, this purple is gorgeous. It's such a beautiful bright purple. Maybe I should have gone in with that one instead of the Naked one. I'm so sorry about the noise in the background. And I want to add a little bit of glitter because of course I love my glitter. So I'm going to take some of the Gumdrop color from the Bitty Colourpop palette. This shade over here. Go with my finger because I feel like it picks up glitter the best. I love the like chunky glitter in this palette, but I'm just going to place that on my... I'm actually going to put this all over my lid. I feel like I have hooded eyelids, so I like to put makeup everywhere, even though like sometimes it's pretty jarring. I just like to blend out the glitter. I'm just going to put it all over, but I'm going to focus it mainly on the center and then kind of try to blend it upwards. But I just like love having like really glittery eyelids. I think it's just like stunning. Add a tiny bit of glitter on my waterline just to kind of balance out the colors. Slightly. And I think I'm going to go in with like a really light highlighter shade, probably this one, Luna, in the Aurora palette, and kind of line my waterline with this. I'm probably going to go in with my Peach Glam eye stamp. I really like using this when I want to do like a dramatic eyeliner because I'm not really good at drawing like long thick wings. I always do them really natural, so this is a really great outline for like a glamorous statement liner, which I'm gonna go for since this makeup is really glamorous and dramatic. Perfect. I'm just gonna go in with a bit of eyeliner to like connect that, and I kind of like to shape it a little bit and make it a little bit more pointy. So it just like works as a really good outline for me because I'm not great at drawing dramatic wings. So hard to do eyeliner on top of such chunky glitter, but I love how it looks. Okay, now I'm gonna add a teeny bit of mascara. This is really like old and dried up because I haven't been using it much, but I love my Kevyn Aucoin mascara, so I'm just gonna try and use this till it's like absolutely dead. But I'm gonna apply a little bit of this on my lower lashes. Why are they doing so much random stuff while I'm trying to film? Hi guys, so my neighbors end up getting pretty loud during this portion of the video, so I'm just gonna voice over the rest and try to insert any clips that I can. But I'm just going in with some false lashes just to complete the look. And going back to the face, I'm just going to apply some contour. I'm just going to quickly contour my nose and my cheeks just to bring a little bit of definition and color back to my face. I also decided to apply some blush, and I opted for Nature Republic's Cotton Blusher in the color Pale Lavender just because I thought that the pale purple would kind of complement the purple in my eyeshadow. Moving on to the lips, I'm just going to apply a little bit of Chantecaille's Lip Cheek in Tea Rose. I actually don't really like this color with the look, so I ended up changing it, but it's the one that I apply as my base. I feel like this pink is a little bit too mature. I didn't really have any other lip shade with me. I actually really don't like this lip color. I'm probably going to change it later. But I have this like gloss that I brought that I really want to try out. I got it off Yes Style, but it's called the Rom and I have no clue what this is called. I'll link it down below. I got it off Yes Style ages ago, and I just thought it was beautiful because the packaging was like everything that I've ever wanted. It's like iridescent purple, blue, pink, the color palettes I've been obsessed with recently. So I just bought it, and I thought it'd be perfect for my like current makeup look. I hate this lip color, holy smack. It's so ugly. I'm trying to mute it down a little bit. It looks too old for this Look. It has like a minty feel to it. It feels minty. I hate this lip color. I forgot to highlight, so I'm just gonna quickly highlight as well. I'm gonna go back in with like Luna and just take a little bit of this and apply it to the high points of my nose. So just down my nose bridge and on the tops of my cheekbones. I also decided to add some little iridescent rhinestones because I thought it would spice up the look a little, and I thought that these little stones were absolutely gorgeous because they had different colors in them. I just got them from like the Reject shop or Jolla shop, I don't really remember, but I applied them under my eyes, but I wasn't too sure if I liked it, so I ended up moving it to the sides of my eyes because I thought it just balanced out my overall facial features a little bit better. And this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, but I did want to mention that in the next clip I ended up going over the lip color with a little bit of the Too Faced Sweet Peach Cream Peach Oil Lip Gloss just to give it a little bit of a lighter color, and I think it actually complements the makeup look a lot better. So yeah, that's the two different lip glosses that I ended up using. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!